What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kurt A. Roll, and we're here with a C63S Mercedes, and I'm about to show you guys how to quickly swap out your air filter. So if that's something that you're looking at doing in the near future, I hope you enjoyed that awesome blip that we just heard, brought to you by this good old thing right here. So let's get to it. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to pop your hood. Alright, it's not going to take long at all, guys. It's easy process. You pop your hood right here, open your door, and your hood latch is located right under here. Believe it or not, and it's a red handle. Who would have knew? Alright, next thing you want to do is you want to put your hand right here underneath the Mercedes-Benz sign, and let's see, slide over here to the right. You're going to feel the handle. You're going to pull up on the handle. See the handle right there? Right there. That is how you open your hood. Believe it or not. Oh my gosh. Alright, YouTube, we just had to go and grab the tools. Yeah, baby, we had to go get the tools. I'm using today, the tools that we're going to be using is a Porter cable drill. But if you don't have a drill, you don't have to use a drill. All you need is a T25 bit. T25 Torx driver, which I have a T25 bit on the end of here. And it's quick and easy. We're just going to do one side. Alright, so pretty much all you got to do is you have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you also have this stuff hooked up on the other side, but it is not necessary to take all of this loose. You just want to get your 4 screws here loose, and we're going to go from there. So let me set this camera in a proper location so that you can see what's going on, and we're going to go from there. Oh Lord. Alright, YouTube, real quick and easy, we are going to remove this air cover. Oh goodness. So that we can install, so that we can remove and install an air filter, okay? So you're using the T25 head, as I said earlier. You just remove it. And when you get your screw loose, this is the type of screw that it doesn't come out, so that you don't have to worry about losing it. On this side right here, we want to back it out because we don't want our air filter to catch this when we pull it out. So let's go ahead and remove this. We're just going to remove these two on this side because this is the side we're removing the air filter from. Okay, so just put your finger up under it and unscrew it while holding it up, and it'll come on out of there. So we're just taking those two off on this side, and we're just going to loosen these until it spins freely, where we can lift it up like so. Like so. Okay. So as you can see, everything is loose. See? Now as you can see with these, it can still have a tendency to catch, so just back it out some more. That just means it's not all the way loose. So back it all the way out. You can actually back it out to where it's partially up in here so that you don't got to worry about it getting caught like it's doing now. Alright, so we have our filter completely free. See, there's enough room in here for it to flex so that you're able to move this enough. Alright, so all you got to do at this point, all you have to do is just get your finger, catch the, now with your factory air filter, it's going to be sitting in there pretty good. What you might want to do with your factory air filter is take a little flat tip screwdriver and just put it right here on the edge and lift up on your filter. So what I'm going to just do here is I'm just going to take this little screw and just lift up on the edge right here. Just enough so that I can grab it, just pry it up like so. Then I'm going to put my screw back immediately because I don't want to drop it. Alright, you just lift up on your air filter like so. You just slide it out. You slide it right on out of there like so. Just lift up enough so that it comes out of there without being damaged or anything. And there you have it. There's my air filter, guys. You see that? Easy breezy. Already got some debris in there. I ain't had this thing with a hot minute. Ooh, a lot of debris in there. So Knock that stuff on out of there. But hey, that's all to it, guys. It's very simple, easy. 4 screws, take it right on out of there. All right, so now what we are going to do is we're going to put it back. Yes, we have to put it back. So we're going to put it back. Let's go ahead and put it back. So same thing we did earlier, guys. It's simple, it's easy. You just lift up on your air box top cover assembly, and you're just going to slide your air filter back into the filter housing. Lifting on it just enough to get your filter in there. See? You're not hurting anything. You have enough flex over here to compensate for the movement here. Now if you want to be extra, you can loosen this up to allow this to possibly move if it decides to, if it isn't adhesed to it from all the heat and stuff. You can go through that route. But I mean, if you want to make it quick and easy, you can simply do this right here. And you can call it a day after that and be done with it. See? This process only took less than 5 minutes. So I got my drill set to number 4 setting. Torqued out at that point, so we ain't gotta worry about over tightening or anything like that. And it's that easy. Okay. So hey YouTube, too easy. Oh, quick tip. This right here, you don't have to take the cap off, okay? When you do this side, you can do it the same way. You do not have to remove the cap because the cap does not interfere with this cover. See? It goes completely around it. So, you do not have to remove the cap. Just a little tip. But hey, it's your boy Kurt A. Roll, and yo, we out here in the driveway doing messing with the C63S. Just show you some things to come. If you look at my previous video, you will see where we installed a hard wire for the radar detector install. So I'm going to be doing that again. I'm going to post a video. It only takes a few minutes to do, where I'm going to remove this center console and we're going to hardwire my radar detector up there so that we're not using this accessory cigarette lighter port here, so that I can close my console so I can have a cleaner look. And I'm probably going to also install USB cord device that puts out the regular voltage for charging up stuff inside there as well, and run my USB cord out of there, so I'll always have a charge for my cell phone. So stay tuned for that. Alright, hey, appreciate you guys chiming in with me. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep it coming. And I'm also will be installing what do you call it, one of those cameras, a car camera, pretty much. Let me show you guys real quick before we go. We're gonna do an open box review of this as well when I get an opportunity to. So just know it's coming. It's coming. Alright, so what we got here, ThinkWear dash cam. It's gonna be the next thing going in the car. F800. I haven't even opened it yet. Just got it and it's sitting right now. But hey, it's coming. I got the old F750 in here. I need to put it somewhere. I'm probably gonna put it in the Escalade. That's probably what I'm gonna do. But in the meantime, we're gonna get this baby installed into the Mercedes. Okay. So hey, appreciate you guys checking in, and we're gonna call it a wrap right there. Okay. So like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Kurt A. Roll, and I am out of here. Peace.